Nowadays, we are celebrating many festivals like Navratri, Dasra, after that Diwali. In this festive season, we used to decorate our home. Today, we are going to learn how to make beautiful toran at home with the help of different material. So let's do. Children, for this toran making activity, we require A4 size drawing sheet like this colorful origami papers, oil pastels, brush pens, scissor and black color marker. First we are going to draw one shape of diya on this white paper and we are going to cut it. We will use simple technique, children. First we will draw oval shape. Semicircle from down and one shape of leaf. Now we are going to cut this shape. Now children, we will use this diya as a stencil and we will draw different diyas on the colorful papers, because each and every diya will come in equal size. We just have to keep this on the paper, trace it from the external part. See, and then we can draw here this pattern and we will make it complete. Like this 6 diyas we are going to draw. Now children, we are going to cut all those 6 parts with the help of scissor. While using scissor, you have to be very careful. See children, all your diyas are ready. Now we have learned pattern drawing last week. Now we will use these patterns to decorate this diya. Like we are going to draw different design on this diya. I will use line pattern, bumpati pattern, cross pattern, different colors I will use to decorate my diyas. See, here I am using bumpati pattern. Some part you can feel. If you are in this part, here I will show the flame with orange color. Already the paper is with yellow color and little bit red I will add. See. And this part again I will fill with brown color, then it will look very nice. Just reborder the diya. In the same way, the remaining all diyas also I am going to decorate with pattern technique. You can use different techniques. We have learned last week many patterns like this. Decorate the diyas. See children, I have decorated these all diyas with the help of different patterns. Now I have taken this golden color strip. If you don't have like this golden paper, you can use old wedding card. Okay, now step by step, first we will paste all those diyas panti here. See, this part where diya is there you are going to apply the glue, and then we are going to paste it on this. See here, like this, on this portion we will apply the glue, and then we will stick it here. From left side you have to leave some space because we are going to punch it, and we are going to arrange it with the thread or decorative lace, whatever you are having. Like this I will paste all these diyas. See children, I am having like this kundan at home, so I am using this to decorate this toran. You can use any type of decorative material to decorate it. I will apply the glue and I will paste it here. Between two diya I will paste one kundan like this. In the same way I will stick it everywhere. After decoration, you have to punch both the side of this golden paper, and you have to insert the satin ribbon or sutri or thread. Then you can decorate your door with the help of nice different torans. Enjoy toran making activity with the help of paper and decorative material. Make your festivals more colorful and beautiful with your own creativity. Thank you, dear children.